Thanks for tuning in to the Blade Ops YouTube channel. Today we're taking a look at the Bestech Exploit. This front flipper folder has a blade length of 3.5 inches and is sporting that S35 VN steel. It's fantastic steel. I also like the way that this knife feels in hand. Really fits in there perfect, and also has a choil so you can choke up on it if you need to. Another thing that I really like is the multiple ways of deploying this knife. It can be flicked, front flipped, and even slow rolled. And this has titanium scales with some speed holes milled out there. And this knife weighs 4.9 ounces, and that's due to a lot of the milling that went in on the inside of these scales. This is a frame lock and has an over travel stop, as well as a 3D milled clip. This thing runs on bearings and is ultra smooth, just as most Bestechs are. This is an awesome heavy use knife, and you can pick yours up today at Blade Ops. And while you're there, don't forget to sign up for our email list. Get all the latest news, info, restocks, and new arrivals.
Barely. I usually check almost every single knife